The LNDU CL01 wireless camera. You may need to do a reset if you find there are issues such as connectivity or the camera is not performing properly. But first and foremost, you may want to check if the battery level is fully charged. So to do that, you need the CloudBus app. So from the app, you go to Settings. Go to Power Manager. Make sure that the battery is at least above 20%. So for this case, it is at 90%. So next, we will show you how to do a reset. Doing a reset is fairly simple. You only require the reset pin. And on the camera, you need to press and hold the reset pin in the sync button for about 5 seconds.
Restore factory settings.
The camera has been reset. It is that simple. You will need to use your CloudBus app to set up the camera again for use.
Waiting for the Wi-Fi.
So this is how you do a reset for your LNDU CL01 camera.